Hi, today I'm discussing with you how to graph a sine function using radians as a unit of measure for the angles. So let's say we have y is equal to 3 sine 2x. So the first part here is the a part that gives you the amplitude of the sine function. So this is 3 units. Remember that amplitude is the height of the waves. And then the period is found by dividing 2 pi by the absolute value of b. The b part here is the coefficient of x. So you have 2 pi over 2. Canceling the 2, you have pi as the period. Then we divide the period into 4 equal parts. Pi divided by 4 is equal to pi over 4. And then we shall divide the x-axis into 4 parts. We need to find the key points of this function. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Since the amplitude is 3 units, so we count 3 units up for the maximum value. And the minimum value is the negative 3. It's 3 units down, the midline. And then here, the first part is pi over 4. Pi over 4 times 2 would be pi over 2. That will be the next part. And then pi over 4 times 3 would be 3 pi over 4. And then the fourth one would be pi over 4 times 4. That would be pi. So now we have completed one period, which is one complete cycle of the given sine function. So let us identify the different key points for us to be able to connect and come up with the graph of this sine function. So here, this is a sine function and it has no shift or no translation of axis. So we start at 0, 0. So the first key point that I would like to show you is 0, 0. Then going up to the maximum point, which is at pi over 4, 3, going down to the midline at pi over 2, 0, then down to the trough, the lowest point of the given sine function, is at 3 pi over 4, negative 3. Then once again, going up to the midline at point pi, negative 3. So let us connect these points. Okay, so we start with 0, 0, connecting it to the next point, down to the midline, then to the trough, then back to the midline. This is the graph of y is equal to 3 sine 2x. And that this is showing you just one cycle. This is one period of this graph. Goodbye and till next time.